Hi Peter, I've just swapped that door over. I haven't swapped where the long hanging is because it just gives you an opportunity to consider what it would look like on the other side. For me, I still think the long hanging is on the wrong side there. I think it's best tucked into the awkward corner, because, let me just put that back into transparent, because I think you should be able to see now that with these clothes adjacent to each other, it does become slightly awkward to push these clothes aside, push these clothes aside slightly, and then reach into something that's in the far area of that corner. There's just slightly less pushing things around if you just have one tool bay there and there. So I'm suggesting that 1.5 bays of long hanging be over this side. And as I said before, that you could put some flat shelves in there, you could put some shoe racks in there, but you could put flat shelves all the way along if you wanted to. That dress is 1.5 metres rail centre to hem, so that is a pretty long drop. Okay, I hope that's useful. Speak soon.